When you think of plumbing, you probably think of, I don't know, wrenches, pipes, real hands-on work.
The ultimate analog industry, right?
Exactly. But we've been looking at this guide from a digital marketing agency called Samyak Online, and it makes this pretty aggressive argument.
That if you're not optimizing your business for large language models, for AI, that wrench you're holding doesn't even matter.
Because no one can even find you to use it. It's this huge collision of worlds.
It really is. You've got this trade that's all about urgent physical problems crashing right into, well, the most abstract high-tech marketing there is.
And the stakes here are just so different from, say, e-commerce. If you're buying sneakers, you might browse for a few days.
Oh, not with this. The guide points out that the sales cycle for a plumber is, it's often measured in minutes.
Sometimes seconds, even.
Yeah, exactly. They highlight things like same-day pipe repair or leak detection. When a pipe bursts in your kitchen, you're not in research mode.
You're in pure panic mode.
Total panic mode, which means visibility is completely zero-sum.
So if you don't show up in that immediate emergency plumber near me, search on Google Maps.
You basically don't exist. The competitor gets the call. That's why Samyak really emphasizes that local SEO isn't just about having a listing, it's about the density of the data.
Verified photos, recent reviews, correct hours, all of that.
All of that. The things that build trust instantly.
Okay, so that's sort of the baseline. But where this breakdown got really interesting for me was the shift toward what they call AI SEO.
Right.
We're seeing people just bypass traditional keyword searches entirely.
And that behavior change is the whole crux of the strategy. People are having full-on conversations with tools like Bing Copilot or Google's AI overviews.
So instead of just typing plumber Delhi, they're asking what?
They're asking, who is the best drain cleaning expert in Delhi? Or maybe find a licensed sewer line repair service that can handle an industrial contract.
So the search engine isn't just matching text anymore. It has to actually understand the intent behind the question and the entity, the business itself.
And that requires what Samyak calls semantic SEO. This is where it gets pretty technical.
This is the schema markup part they talk about.
Exactly. It's code, basically. Think of it like you're translating your website into a language that the AI can perfectly parse and understand.
So it's not just guessing.
It's not guessing. You're explicitly tagging your business as, say, a commercial contractor versus a residential service. Without that tag, the AI might just skip you because it lacks certainty. The goal is to be, and this is their phrase, discoverable in AI-powered recommendations.
Not just a blue link on a page. It's like your entire business profile becomes a data set.
Yes, and that connects directly to the technical performance side of things.
Which they highlight with some client feedback. They mention a client, Yemi Nakak from the USA, who praised their work on fixing Google test speed rankings.
And that's so critical. We know core web vitals are a ranking factor. If your site is slow to load, the user and the AI crawler bounces.
It creates a trust deficit, really.
A huge one. They mention another client in India, Sumik Sengupta, who pointed out their WordPress expertise. When you're dealing with these complex AI crawlers, your code has to be clean. A bloated, broken site is not going to be seen as a high-authority source.
So the technical side builds the foundation, and then you have to prove your competence with content.
Right, you have to bridge that trust gap. This is where you go beyond just a Hire Us page.
You're publishing blogs on, DIY fixes versus when you need to call a professional.
Or sharing quick fix videos on social media. You are essentially creating training data for the AI that proves this business is an authority on pipe repair.
It's reputation management, but for a machine.
It's building a pipeline of digital visibility, to borrow their phrase. The reviews, the technical speed, the semantic markup, they all signal to the AI that your business is a safe bet.
It's just a fascinating evolution, isn't it? We've gone from handing out flyers to auditing code speed just to fix a drain.
It's the new reality. LLMs are becoming the gatekeepers. They aren't just listing options anymore. They are actively curating and recommending based on all these semantic signals.
Which leaves us with a final thought to chew on.
Yeah.
If AI is now the primary judge of who is trustworthy enough to handle a burst pipe, what happens to the incredible, experienced plumber who ignores all of this?
They might just become invisible.
Thanks for listening to The Deep Dive. We'll see you next time.